Okay, welcome back to Thad's Affiliate Tactics. In this video, it's all about finding a product because that's going to be the next step in this whole process. You've picked a niche, you've kind of learned a little bit about what affiliate marketing is. Now it's time to actually start diving deep, doing the research, and finding a good product to start promoting. All right, and so there's a few key elements that you need to remember when choosing a product, and we'll go over those as well. But welcome. I'm glad you decided to watch this video and join me on this journey. And I hope that you find this as valuable as I find it teaching you. So yeah, let's jump right in. So a few of the key terms and key things you need to be aware of when choosing a product. There's a few things that factor into this. They are as follows. Okay, so one of the first things you need to remember, or one things you need to know when picking a product, is conversion rate. A conversion rate is just how often that product actually converts into a sale. The higher the conversion rate, the better chances you are of actually earning commission, and that means also that people are actually looking to buy your product. Okay, so the second term that you're going to want to know when choosing a product is also refund rate. The reason for this is pretty cut and dry. It's how often someone actually asks for a refund or return on the product you're promoting. Last thing you want to do is start promoting crap products, and then you wind up with a bad reputation of promoting bad products that people don't really want or need. So that's another key term that you need to be aware of when choosing the products you're looking for. So now that we've actually kind of covered a couple of the key terms that can determine whether you found a good product or a bad product, we're going to dive deeper into how to find those products, where to find them, how to pick out the good ones from the bad ones, and just kind of where they're hanging out. There's a couple ways to do this. That one way is through affiliate networks. And the other way is just actually going to individual companies that you may be already aware of, stuff like maybe Target or Amazon, or actually brands that may have affiliate programs. It could be anything from physical products to digital products. It really just depends. So we'll dive deeper into that as we progress through this video. And by the end of it, you should be able to go out and start actually actively looking and finding a product in which you want to promote. And also along the way, I'll give a few helpful tips on how to find complementary products that will benefit your main product. So yeah, let's dive deep into this, and let's see what we can find. First off, we're going to start with affiliate networks. All right, the first affiliate network we're going to check out and kind of explore a little bit is clickbank.com. All right, so as you can see on your screen, as soon as you create your free account, this is where you'll be dropped off to, and this is basically going to be your dashboard. And over here on the left-hand column, you'll actually have an option to select. So as you can see, it's all broken down into categories, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen. And these are where all the different type of niches come into play. So if you're into home and garden, you're into health and fitness, e-business, e-learning, even investing, all that's going to be available here. All right, so we're going to just kind of jump into one of these real quick. Let's take a peek at home and garden. All right, so as you jump into these niches, it'll automatically have all of these products ranked for you, and that's going to be up here in this sort results by. What you want to actually do is click on that drop down and go to gravity. Gravity is basically how popular those products are going to be. That's very specific to this website, so don't keep in mind that gravity will not apply to all websites and all affiliate networks that you visit. So once you've kind of sorted it by gravity, this will tell you what the most popular products in that niche and the ones that are actually selling frequently, because you want, like I said before, you want to pick a good product that's actually going to be beneficial to somebody. So the higher the gravity, the better. For instance, this one for Ted's Woodworking has a gravity of 146, which means that it's actually selling at a high rate, which means it might be a reputable product if it falls into the niche that you're choosing. The good gravity for one of these products is at least 100 or higher. Some will range even all the way up to 600 plus. So as you can see, this one has a 146 gravity, so it's obviously something that people are actively buying. So once you've actually kind of dived deeper into this, there's a few other elements real quick. That's going to be initial conversion, which is basically going to be $64. That means the first purchase someone actually makes, the average purchase rate is going to be $64 in commission in your pocket. So once you've picked a product that you want to promote, a good couple things to do is check out to see if they have an affiliate page. This is where any resources is going to be, like emails or banner ads or any type of ad copy that you might want to use in your promotions. And once you've picked one, you actually just want to click on this promote button. And once you clicked on this promote button, it'll actually take you to another window. You'll enter your account nickname that you've created upon creating your account. And once you've done that, we'll just use mine, and you'll actually generate a hop link. Hop link term is actually very specific to Clickbank, but that is going to be fall back on the same term I told you about earlier, which is your affiliate link. This is the link that you will actually be able to copy and paste and use in either advertising or in your funnel, which we'll dive deeper into in our next video. But this is something that you want to copy and paste somewhere so you have readily access to it for future promotions, okay? A little bit about Clickbank. Now we're going to jump into a website or affiliate network called CJ Affiliate. As you can see on your screen, you've already seen a list of kind of the advertisers. So once you've logged in and you've created your free account with CJ Affiliate, you'll actually go up to the advertisers tab, and then from there it'll actually give you the list of all the companies and which programs you can actually apply to join. Now some of them are manual, some of them have give you a little insight on how easy it is to join, so on and so forth. A little bit of information here is this kind of section all about the average EPC, and EPC just stands for earnings per click. They break it down in a 3-month period and a 7-day period to give you an idea of how much type of traffic and conversions you'll actually get over those type of time frames with these affiliate programs. And they actually have a search bar. So let's say you want to actually look for a specific see, they have a large amount. Some of them are broken down by sale percentage. Some are broken down by actually leads generated. So it's going to take some digging. There are like over 3,000 companies that are on CJ Affiliate that you can choose from. So it's just going to take some research and digging deep to find something that might be able to apply to the niche that you're in and a good product for you to promote. So that's a little bit of an overview of CJ Affiliate. Okay, so now that we've touched on a couple of those other ones, we're going to hop into Jvzoo, which is another affiliate network. Now, this affiliate network is all ran by individual sellers and not so much companies. These are individuals who've created a product or service that they actually allow people to promote. You do have to request approval, as you can see on your screen. A couple things they break down these products by is by the launch date, the sales that they've made, the conversion rate, which we touched on earlier in this film. Also EPC, which I touched on previously with CJ Affiliate, average price of sale, and commission percentage, and refund rate, which is also another key indicator I mentioned earlier in this film. All right, so as we scroll through this, in order to find them, you can actually just go to affiliates under the affiliate tab once you've set up your free account, and then from there just head down to find products, and then that will actually take you to all the available products. They do have a search bar up top that you can actually use to find your specific niche that you're going to be looking for products in. That way you're not just trying to dig through every product that's on Jvzoo in general. You can narrow it down to the niche that you're following. And a couple cool things about this is that you can actually see the individual sales page that people will land on if they actually happen to use your affiliate link to follow through on a recommendation or a promotion that you're running. That way you can, the reason for that is going to be explained further in our next video when we start to break down your opt-in page and your sales funnel. But I'll just show you one real quick. We'll just use Video Maker FX. They've sold a lot, and let's see, they'll actually break down. Actually, you'll be able to see and get a glimpse at what their sales page looks like, which is really cool because you can really break down and know what someone's going to land on and the stuff that they're going to be seen and shown if they happen to use your affiliate link. All right, now that the sales page is loaded up, you can actually take a peek and see what consumers will actually land on when they use your affiliate link if you happen to choose a product to promote from Jvzoo, which is really good because it really, you'll have a much better understanding of what they offer and how it might be beneficial, and also give you more resources to use to promote to potential consumers. All right, so that's a little bit of an overview of Jvzoo. Again, this is where your work's gonna have to come in, and you're gonna have to start doing a little digging and a little research on your own to find the product that you want to promote. I just want to give you a brief overview of some of these websites, so you're not just out there trying to figure it out for yourself. Okay, so now we're diving into Digistore 24, and when you come over to this website, this is exactly what it's going to land on. And once you've created your free account, you can actually start looking at products to promote. What you'll do is head over to the affiliates tab, and from there, you will actually take you to the marketplace. I'm sorry, that's not it. It'll take you to the marketplace, and that's where you want to go, not the affiliates tab. Once you've set up your account, you'll be able to go to the affiliates tab and then to the marketplace. So once you get to the marketplace, it's all broken down by digital products, and as you can see, they actually do physical products and events and seminars in order for you to choose something to promote. It does do a nice little breakdown underneath each product, as you can see below: average price, commission percentage, earnings per sale, earnings per cart visit, the cart conversion, and cancellation rate. That's another key indicator to determine whether you're trying to promote a good product or kind of a crappy product. All right, so this one's got like a over 12, so I might steer clear. Like, remember, you don't want something that's going to be higher than 10%. You want to try to keep it in that 5 range. All right. Also, this will tell you whether it's a single payment or a recurring payment. The reason recurring payment is beneficial because once you've made one sale, it will actually continue to generate you monthly passive income if it's a recurring commission. Okay, so that's a little bit about Digistore 24. You have all your niches here on the left. Also broken down by events, seminars, and physical products. All right, so pretty good marketplace for beginners. I know a lot of people that have actually picked some products off of this website and actually made a pretty decent commissions by doing so. So the next one we're going to jump into is a website called Warrior Plus. Okay, like I just stated, we're going to jump into Warrior Plus, which is another affiliate marketplace. It's very similar to Jvzoo. Once you've signed up for your free account, you can actually head over to the affiliate drop-down menu. And then from there, you actually just go to offers. And this will actually take you to the list of offers that you can start promoting as an affiliate. Again, it's very similar to Jvzoo in the aspect that you have to request permission to actually promote them. And as a beginner, don't feel intimidated by that. All that is you're just going to have to write a little message to the seller and basically explaining why you want to promote their product. Maybe you want to do a YouTube video, maybe you want to promote it on TikTok, or you want to promote it on the back end through your email list. But we'll explore all those type of things once we dive into the promotions aspect of affiliate marketing. So again, it's very similar to Jvzoo in the aspect it gives you the release date, the sales date, conversion rate, visitor value, the average price per sale, and also the refund rate. They actually classify theirs with a pulse rate, which means the higher the pulse rate, the more it's similar to the gravity, like at Clickbank. It's just basically how hot the product is, how many people are actually purchasing it. So yeah, again, you have a search bar that you can go by keyword to find your niche, and then you'll be able to isolate or narrow down the product search in order to find something that's going to fall into your niche that you're promoting within. Again, very similar to Jvzoo, as when you click on something, it actually will take you to being able to see the sales page, which is very beneficial for when you're setting up your opt-in page and your thank you page. But we'll dive deeper in that into our next video as we set up some of the back-end systems that are necessary in order for you to operate your affiliate marketing business. So as we take a peek at this particular product, as you can see over here on the right-hand column, you have the view sales page. It'll tell you a little bit about who's made it, the price range that you might find that you're going to fall into. So it's anywhere from $17 to $497, and that means that you have a commission range of anywhere from $850 to over almost $780, depending on what they choose to purchase once they enter this person's sales funnel and in order to make a purchase with this product. So that's a good little tidbit. They actually have a JV page, which will give you some resources, a little peek at their sales page, and also you can find information about how their sales funnel works. Again, we'll be diving deeper into what a sales funnel is and some of the aspects that affect how you set your back-end systems up. But we'll dive deeper in that into our next video, okay? So that's a little bit about Warrior Plus. So we've touched on Warrior Plus, we've touched on CJ Affiliate, we've touched on Clickbank.com, Digistore 24, and Jvzoo. And now we're gonna dive into what it takes to actually find a product that's not on a marketplace. Okay, so this is kind of the final step of this finding a product video. This is where you're actually going to go to good old Google. That's right. It's as simple as that. What you want to do is just head over to Google, literally type in your niche. You can actually type in brands you're familiar with. Maybe you're in a parenting niche and you want to promote products for Gerber. They have an affiliate program. Maybe you're in the dieting niche and you want to promote products for Weight Watchers. It's literally as simple as just going to the search bar and start typing stuff in. So let's say you're in the hunting niche. Well, guess what? So you can actually just go into Google and type in something like Bass Pro Shop affiliate program, and it's actually going to take you right to their affiliate program in which you can start to sign up, learn more about their commission percentages, and then start promoting products within something like Bass Pro Shop. Maybe you're in the beauty niche and you want to market Sephora products. They actually have an affiliate program as well. So it's literally as simple as just going to Google, knowing about the product or service that you want to promote, and then actually typing it into Google and doing a quick Google search. That's probably the most simplest way. Or you can just type in something as simple as whatever your niche is, and we'll just type in niche. Fill in the blank there. It'll give you a nice little plethora of options just by typing in niche affiliate programs, anything from health, travel, art. There's literally almost an endless amount of options for products and services to find, and it's quick and as simple as just doing a Google search. All right, so that's a little bit about all the different ways, all the marketplaces you can join, and also just a simple way to find an affiliate program by going to Google. Okay, so now to kind of wrap up this video, I hope you've learned at least enough to start your journey into finding a good product or service. Now, there are so many options out there. There's courses, there's seminars, there's physical, there's digital. I want to touch on one more aspect of finding a product, and that is breaking it down between low ticket and high ticket. It's probably a very simple term, simple to understand. Low ticket commissions are basically things that don't have that high of a commission percentage, or their sale price is not exactly that high. And then you have high ticket, which is high commission percentages or high sales cost. Something like promoting travel. Well, you can actually promote Valier jets, and they offer a healthy commission to where you can make thousands of dollars per sale. So those are just a couple aspects to keep in mind when choosing a product. There's no right or wrong answer here. You can promote both low ticket and high ticket. It's all about finding something within your niche, something that you can actually have authority with, and then something that someone is actively going to find valuable that you can promote to them. All right, so I hope you found a lot of value in this. I hope this lets you jumpstart your journey into finding a product. As always, below there will be a link to my Facebook community. If you're already a member, feel free to follow that link back to the community. Ask more questions if you have them, or if you're not a member, the door is open, and I would be happy to have you come join us and let me serve you just a little bit more on your affiliate marketing journey. Again, thank you for joining me on Finding a Product with Thad's Affiliate Tactics, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.